So friends, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to install Visual Studio on Windows 11. So first of all, you have to head over to your Chrome browser or any browser and search for Visual Studio 4. So it will take you to this list. Now you have to tap on this Visual Studio 4. Now you have to click on this download for Windows. So the version 1.79 is the latest version. So just you need to click on it and down the file will be start started downloading. Mhm. Now once the file has been downloaded, now you have to click on it to open. Now you have to accept the term and condition license. Click on next, click on next, click on next, and you can check this option, create a desktop icon, and click on next, and click on install. First of all, it is extracting all the files to its download or installation folder. Now you can click on finish to launch it. Now here we go. We have downloaded our Visual Studio and installed it, and you can browse from here color themes. Now, if you want to run any code, but before that, you have to click on this extension where you can download various programming IDE. So I'm going to install this Python first. So in this Python, the pylons, linting, debugging, Jupyter notebooks, and all these things will be covered. So yeah, that's how you can install Visual Studio Code on uh, Windows 11. Hope you like it. And in the next video, I'll show you how to basically run first your Python code Hello World on Visual Studio. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.